channel. So today is day 3.
Oh. Om Jai Jagdish.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is day 3 in Japan and we were going from Tokyo to Sapporo in Hokkaido, and this is us taking a train from Tokyo to the airport, and then we had a flight of 1.5 hours to Sapporo. Now, one thing you should note that the Shinkansen from Tokyo to Sapporo was really expensive, and that is why we opted for the flight, which was about 1/3 of the price. And then we landed in the afternoon at around 12:40, and we were really hungry, and we saw Lawson's and grabbed some food to go. This is an onigiri, and then we had some mussels. These were actually nice, I liked them. And then we had a matcha mousse. It had some mochi inside, and this was like very okayish in texture as well as taste. And see guys, this is the reality of our amazing trip. So much hard work, and I swear I carry them too.
Okay.
Welcome to our hostel room. This is the wash basin area, and underneath there was a fridge, a TV, a small stool, hangers, and this is me and the mirror, and this is the bed. It was really comfortable. And that's the outside. There's some construction work going on, and basically a city view. And this is the bathroom. It was small in size but very functional. And this is the shower area. Hi guys, so today is day 3 here in Japan, and we have traveled to Sapporo today, which is in Hokkaido, which is in the northern part of Japan. And right now I think it is 6-7 degrees, and it is quite chilly and windy. So we have just now checked in to our hotel, and it is basically a hostel, but ours is a double room, and I'm loving the weather, and it's quite a nice change from Tokyo. In Tokyo it's quite crowded, and here it's very empty, and it is more of a countryside vibe. And yeah, let's go. So right now we are in Nijo Market in Sapporo, which sells fresh seafood, and when I say fresh, it is actually pretty fresh.
Alaskan crabs.
I love a place with less crowd, and this park couldn't have been any better. It was sunset time, and it was perfect. It was chilly, the weather was perfect and everything. And this is me chilling and heading to the nearest 7-Eleven because I was hungry once again. The variety of food in these convenies really blew my mind. Like, there were snacks, there were desserts, there were full-blown meals, and everything is fresh. Like, they stock up every single day, and couldn't have asked for anything else. And then we stumbled upon the Susukino street, which is the vibiest part of the city, and there are just rows and rows of stores and ramen shops and other eateries, breweries, and you'll just love it here. Then I saw some back charms in front of this shop called Vigo, and I couldn't help myself. I went inside and I got a few stuff from here. There were a lot of trendy bags, but honestly you get the same stuff in Savannah for I think cheaper, and that is why I didn't pick up anything from here. And then the coolest was this capsule toy shop where you get some little somethings from these machines, and these are called gashapon. What did you get?
Let's see what I got.
Oh, excited. I think you need to open from here.
Oh,
So cute.
this is Goku.
So cute.
Yeah, this is nice. Let's okay. I want to just go for it. Let's see what you got.
Ooh, so pretty.
Nice. Very nice.
Oh, that's a brush in the mirror.
Is it a real brush? No, no, no. Obviously, it's toy. Right?
And then for dinner, we went to this place called Soup Curry, which is, I think, a famous restaurant chain.
The next day सुबह 9 बजे
The next day, we went for a day trip, but on our own and not from any third party agencies like Klook. So we took a bus and a train and came to this place, which is the Hill of the Buddha, and there was a Stonehenge also in this park. If you are visiting Sapporo, then I would highly recommend this place, because not only is this place really beautiful and peaceful, but there are so much less crowd and it's not very touristy. There won't be much people around and you will enjoy it to the fullest. There is also a Zen garden inside where you can just sit and laze around. And they also serve lavender ice cream, so please try this out. It's so refreshing. And this is the hill of the Buddha. You need to pay 500 yen per person to enter.
Om Jai Jagadish Hare Swami Jai Jagadish Hare Dideva
And then we took a bus back to the main station, from where we were supposed to take another bus which was going to Jozankei. While waiting for the bus, I got hungry and I grabbed a fruit custard sandwich and this ramen cup noodles. Both were actually really yum. It was already past golden hour by the time we reached, and we took some pictures on the suspension bridge and then took a walk along this path. And it is a great place to catch the autumn foliage, and I loved this walk. And there was a little bakery just outside from where we had a burnt Basque cheesecake and an apple pie, and both were really delicious. And after that we took a bus directly to the main city. And for dinner, we went back to Ichiran because we couldn't have enough of this tonkatsu ramen. It was so good. And with that, this vlog comes to an end. Stay tuned and subscribe for the next parts. Until next time, bye bye.